Nature Cat's Great Outdoors!
Okay.
Is it sunny today? Tap the sun icon for sunny day adventures. Is it raining or snowing out? Tap the cloud.
Rainy and snowy weather.
Close.
Tap here to go to your journals. Tap here to take some pictures.
Tap here to record some sound. Tap here to check out all the amazing badges you earned. Journal.
Ooh,
Did
journal.
you find something amazing today?
Stickers.
Move your finger slow for a smooth line, and move it fast to get a dotted line.
Well, what are you waiting for, fellow nature adventurer? Let's do this!
Where's Laser?
Move your finger slow for a smooth line, and move it fast to get a dotted line. Move your finger slow for a smooth line, and move it fast to get a dotted line.
I love adventures.
The arrow. Badges.
Whoopsies! Looks like you haven't earned any badges yet. Complete daily adventures to earn some. You can do it!
Oh no. You don't. Wow. What an amazing sound. Oh, it's very loud. Well, we don't have any badges yet. It's way too hard to go for it. Oh, I'm sorry. I got the So we have nature's.
Whoopsies! Looks like you haven't earned that badge yet. Whoopsies! Looks like you haven't earned that badge yet.
Ooh.
Let's go on an adventure. Tally ho!
Hello.
Let's take a photo of what you see. Let's take a photo of what you see. Oh yeah. Today we're going to use our camera. Photo saved. Are you sure you want to delete that? Press OK if you're sure. Press cancel if you change your mind.
And
Let's take a photo of what you see.
that's it.